In recent years, there have been many legislative and social gains for LGBT Americans. But with these gains, there are still many issues that our older LGBT population must face. Debra Trakel, the Director of Client Services for the Milwaukee LGBT Community Center, has some insight on why the poverty level is much higher within the LGBT senior community.
LGBT elderly are disproportionately poor. A lifetime of employment, housing, and institutional discrimination has contributed to our often lower socioeconomic status. Many of us were harassed or in some other way discriminated against, which created space for mental illness or substance abuse and other kinds of health-related issues. Also, lack of familial support structures and not having the financial protection of marriage, not having had children, being estranged from our family has also contributed to our long-term financial insecurities. Also, many LGBT older couples are less economically secure because they've not had access to their partner's assets, including the homes that we have lived in at the time of our partner's death.
Even though societal views have changed over the years, many LGBT individuals have already lost the relationships they had with their family. And along with those relationships went any sort of financial support.
Nonetheless, some older LGBT adults find support through chosen families, informal support networks like LGBT community organizations, and even gay-affirming religious institutions. LGBT older adults need to be recognized by the Older Adults Act as a greatest social need group, opening up important funding avenues to prioritize services for us and to help cushion the financial hardships of aging. Currently, the resources are designated specifically for LGBT older adults in very small ways. Finally, LGBT seniors are part of two communities, the LGBT community and the senior community. The LGBT community that is not in poverty needs to be aware of the members of our community who are in poverty and seek to provide services to them. And the non-LGBT community needs to have greater awareness of the need to target services to the underserved LGBT population.
Support for Next Avenue Moments is provided by the Helen Daniels Bader Fund, a Bader philanthropy.